Your clients don't care about your videos. They care about customers walking through their door. And that's exactly why videographers who use GoHighLevel charge $5,000 per month, while everyone else is fighting over $500 to $1,000 video projects. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 GoHighLevel features that will transform you from just being a videographer into what I call a video marketer. Someone who doesn't just create videos, but creates revenue for local businesses. Look, the brutal truth is this: business owners don't pay for videos, they pay for results. That restaurant owner doesn't want 5 reels per month. What they want is more butts in the seats on a slow Tuesday night. That gym owner doesn't want a transformational testimonial. They want 20 new members per month. But right now, you're delivering videos with 0 way to prove that they actually work. No lead tracking, no conversion data, no ROI metrics, just here's your video, hope it works. That's why clients ghost you after 3 months. That's why they leave for someone cheaper, because to them, you're all the same. People who make pretty videos that don't really move the needle forward in their business. GoHighLevel changes the entire game. It lets you prove that your videos don't just get views, they get customers. So let me show you exactly how you can use it. So the first thing is gonna be Facebook ads integration. The first thing you need to understand about GoHighLevel is how it integrates with Facebook ads to track actual revenue from your video ads. Here's what that looks like in practice. You create a video for a med spa. Instead of them just posting it organically to their 500 followers, convert it and run it as an ad and use GoHighLevel's Facebook integration with lead forms. Now here's what happens. GoHighLevel will now track every single person who actually submits a form from that video ad. So you can now track everyone who's coming in from the video ad as leads, and you can now track who's becoming customers. You can literally show your client you generated 40 leads, 15 booked appointments, and 7 of those became patients or clients. You can now show them that you've generated $14,000 in revenue from 1 video campaign. And setting this up is stupid simple. You go to settings, integrations, connect Facebook. Now every lead gets tagged with the exact ad they came from. You can now directly attribute money to your video services, which is the most important thing if you want to make a career out of this. So suddenly you're not having conversations about views and engagement and trying to prove your worth. You're not having conversations about cost per acquisition, lifetime value, how many leads you generated, cost per lead. That's how you charge $5,000 instead of $500. Here's a quick explanation of how that works. So this is a very simple Facebook lead form that you can create in just literally minutes on Facebook. Now I have other videos, showing you exactly how to create these lead forms, but you would just create a simple lead form asking a question. For example, are you a home improvement business owner? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. And then you collect their name, email, and phone number. And then once you do that, then you can redirect them into a booking page. Now, the way to integrate this with GoHighLevel is super, super simple. You would simply go to settings inside of GoHighLevel in one of the sub accounts that you have. You're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go into integrations. And then you're going to go, well, first of all, you have to integrate Facebook right here. So you're just going to connect the Facebook account. And then you're going to go to Facebook form field mapping, and then you'd integrate the Facebook form right here. But basically what's going to start to happen is once you have your Facebook lead form integrated, you're going to start to have contacts coming in. So you can now show your clients all the contacts and all of the leads that you are generating for them with your videos. Here's a very simple demonstration of exactly what that looks like in real time. So you have your Facebook ad right here, right? So instead of just creating them a video that they would just post on their social media page to their 500 followers that probably won't do anything, let's convert it into an ad. Let's put money behind it. So yes, you are going to have to learn how to run ads, and then you send those ads into a Facebook lead form. So you can start generating leads, right? So after they fill out the form, they now become a lead, and all of those leads get poured into GoHighLevel. So again, this is a Facebook ad. This is done on Facebook, and then you would integrate the Facebook lead form into GoHighLevel so you can generate, so you can start to collect all of the leads for your client. Now, the second way video marketers use GoHighLevel is by creating dedicated landing pages for specific video campaigns. I want you to think about the typical videographer approach. You create videos, clients post the videos to their social media or their website, include some vague call to action like visit our website or whatever the case is. Person visits the website, they get overwhelmed, they leave, video wasted and 0 results for your clients, so they end up leaving, and going for somebody cheaper who can create similar videos. But here's the video marketer approach. In GoHighLevel, you build a focused landing booking page. You can even use a VSL that plays at the top, and you can help your clients create that. And then you have a simple headline below. Simple form, name, email, and phone number, or have them book an appointment to get a free quote. The headline can say something like, claim your free quote and 10% off if you book now. Simple. One page, one clear offer, one action. So now you can turn viewers into booked appointments and motivated leads for your clients. The gym owner can now see exactly how many people went from watching your video to actually raising their hand saying, I'm interested. And here's what's crazy. Building these pages in GoHighLevel takes like 10 minutes max. They have templates specifically for this. You can drag your video in, change the headline, connect the form, published. You're not just building websites, by the way. Like, you're building a conversion machine that turns your video views into actual leads for the business that you're working with. Here's an example of a simple booking page that you can mimic. Now, here's a very simple booking page that you can create inside of GoHighLevel for your clients. You would put their logo, you'd put the headline, which is a simple, like basically what the offer is, which is book in your free estimate call. And you can have a sub headline that says no pressure consultation with certified flooring professionals. And what you could have, like I was saying, is some sort of VSL, which is a video sales letter that you can then upsell your client again as part of your service that basically explains who they are and what they do. But for the sake of this, it's just a very simple booking page with a calendar. You can also add testimonials here, pictures of their services. This is just a template, right? And the great thing about this is with all of your clients, you can now start to like replicate these templates by just simply changing the logo, changing the text and the color, and changing the pictures. So it's something that's very simple. And again, with GoHighLevel, you would just be able to edit. And once you have templates, right, you can just swap them in and out. So it's very easy. So going back to basically how it works is you have the ad, you send that form, or you send the traffic, the viewers, into the lead form, and then you can redirect people to a booking page so they can book appointments. Now, if you don't know what an appointment is or an estimate call, think about a roofing business, right? The way that a roofing company works is they get somebody who's interested, but now the roofer has to go and book a free appointment to go look at the actual roof so they can give them an estimate of how much that new roof is going to cost. So what your job for this specific client to do, and a lot of local businesses work this way, by the way, and this is why you want to work with local businesses, because it's, well, first of all, guys, like these people are horrible at marketing their business. Like they're stuck in the Flintstone age of marketing their company, and videos is the best way to market a business right now. We all know that, but just videos itself isn't going to do shit, which is why you need to learn all these other things and become a video marketer, because what you can do is utilize your video skills to generate them more appointments so they can make more money. And that's what the free estimate call essentially is. A lot of service providers have a very similar process where they book in a free estimate, book in a free quote, etc. And by the way, we help videographers transition into AI video marketers every single day. And so instead of being stuck between $5,000 to $10,000 as a freelancer and getting undercut by other people, we actually show you everything that you need in order to build a business that's going to generate you $10,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 per month. We show you the skills you need, the roadmap, so you can implement everything and get results in as little as 30 days. So if you want to learn more about that, just click the link down below and watch the video explaining pretty much everything that we do. We've helped hundreds of videographers in the last 15 months scale their business to multiple six figures a year. Now let's go to number 3. And here's where GoHighLevel really separates video marketers from videographers. And it's the automation workflows. You see, getting a lead is only really half the battle. It really isn't hard to generate leads for your clients once you learn how to do it. The hardest part is assisting and turning that lead into a customer. And most businesses are terrible at follow-up. I'm sure you're terrible at it too. So somebody watches your roofing video that you created for your client at 10 p.m. They fill out the form for a discount at 11 p.m. and then nothing. The business owner responds 3 days later, and then the lead's already working with somebody else because the other company reached right away. With GoHighLevel, the second somebody submits a form, you can have an automation that kicks in to make sure that they schedule their dedicated appointment and get reminded of that appointment, so you can make sure they actually show up to it. Or you can just have several follow-ups. Like you can send a simple email that says, hey, first name, thanks for filling out the form. If someone from our team hasn't reached out yet, you can book your free estimate right here. And then you just put the link to the booking page that I talked about in step 2. If they don't reply or book, boom, another few messages and emails will be sent. If they do book, then you can have reminders of their actual appointment so they don't forget about it. The thing is, we don't want to leave all of the pressure to our clients to close the deals. We want to assist in every way we can, because the more value that we can provide, the more irreplaceable that we become. So we become revenue partners with our clients. And everything is happening automatically, by the way. Everything is being tracked and everything is measurable. You just set it up once and that's it. So while you're filming new content, while you're getting new clients, while you're focusing on building your brand, while you're sleeping, the system is converting those leads into actual paying customers. This is the difference between a videographer who just makes videos and a video marketer. Like I hope you can really see the difference. Videographers deliver videos and hope for the best, while video marketers deliver customers and prove it with data. You see, it's the same creative skills, the same video quality, but completely different business model. One is so much more scalable. So while majority of videographers are just spending all nights just editing, other video marketers are spending their time actually generating their clients' results. Of course, one is gonna make a lot more than the other. This one, the video marketer is also future-proofing their business, because the reality is majority of videographers will be wiped out within the next 2 to 3 years. Think about all of the AI tools that are going to come out that's going to be able to edit all these videos. You now have tools like Sora 3, VEO3, who have the capability to create Hollywood quality videos in just minutes and for only $20 per month. The iPhone 17 Pro Max looks awesome. And then you have all these teenagers who are coming out of high school, and people also graduating college who are watching Peter McKinnon videos, learning how to create cinematic videos. They'll just undercut you, and the other businesses and whatever, your other clients will just end up working with them because they can deliver something that inherently is of the same value. Is your video a little bit better? Yes, but both videos will deliver the same outcome, which is just marketing themselves. So the videographers who get this, like, they are charging $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month retainers because they're not selling videos anymore. They're selling growth systems that happen to use video as the fuel. So let me quickly show you this simple automation flow that you can replicate as well. Now let's talk about the automations that I was talking about, right? So these are the simple automation flows. We have 2 simple emails that are created inside of GoHighLevel. Okay. And this is also part of the automation flow. So whenever we generate a lead, what we're going to do is we're going to set up an automation inside of GoHighLevel that is going to send this lead into a Slack channel. Now, if you don't know what a Slack channel is, just think about it as like WhatsApp, Telegram. It's our main communication with our clients, our main form of communication. If you aren't using Slack, make sure to use Slack for your clients. So every time we generate a lead, we send this lead into the channel where our clients also are, so they can see the actual people that we're generating. They can see the results, right? They can see the leads. They can see that our service is working. And then we also want to have these reminders just to make sure that people are booking their estimates, okay? And if they do book their estimates, then we have reminders so they actually show up to the estimate. Now I'm going to quickly overview what this funnel looks like, or what this marketing strategy looks like. So you're generating leads for your clients. You want to send the lead to your client, because what your client can do is your client can call them and book the appointment. But we all know that people are busy and sometimes people just don't want to do work. So this is where we set up automations on their behalf, just so we can have the actual lead book the appointment themselves. Because if we can do majority of the work for them by setting up simple automations, then we're killing it for our clients. And then our clients love us because all they have to do is just pay us. And then we're helping them market their business utilizing our video skills and some simple GHL automations and leveraging AI, because AI writes all of these emails for you. AI also generates all the scripts for the content and for the ads. Like, AI comes up with the whole marketing strategy, and you can create this very simple funnel for your clients so you can make them more money. And that's the goal, guys. That is the ultimate goal. If you are making your clients more money, you will also make more money and build a great full-time career and be able to provide for the people that you want to provide for. We built a complete program called the AI Video Marketer System. It helps everyday videographers go from just being a commodity to a strategic partner who lands high-ticket clients and generates them a real ROI in as little as 30 days. So if you want to learn more about that, then just click the link down below, apply, watch the video, And if you're qualified, schedule a call with us. Because again, here's the reality, guys. In 6 to 12 months, you're either going to be just another videographer competing on price, or you're going to be a video marketer competing on value. The choice is yours. But now you know exactly how to make that happen. So thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.